Welcome back to Kiana's Time, guys. Today I'll be making brownies. So today, guys, I have a special guest with me. You might know her on a few of my videos. This is Madison. Say hey. Say, you have to read them directions. Do not use this in an oven. Microwave only. So let's get started.
Look how it looks. Look, guys. With 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay! So we only need how many?
1, 2.
So first instruction, Madison.
We need so many eggs.
How many eggs we need?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Girl, we need that many eggs. So for 1 pound, we need 2 large eggs. And guess how much water we need, Madison?
1 for a cup of water.
Yeah.
1.
And we need a half a cup of vegetable oil. That's not nasty. So let's go.
Wow, girl. You went so fast.
Vegetable oil, right now, you're cool.
Ew. Yucky.
Like, it's gonna make it taste good. You want it to taste dry? Put it into 1 cup of water. Also, a smart thing to do. Let's mix it right there. Because it's gonna be mixed up. And look how pretty it looks.
Yeah. It's gonna taste like oil. When Mom gonna drink it, she's gonna be like, ew, it tastes like oil.
Okay, and now let's go ahead and get started and rinse this bowl out.
Got it on the camera.
No, I didn't.
See? Hey, you got it on. Okay.
I'm going to get the scissors so we can cut it. I'm back with the scissors. Let's go. Come on, let's get this.
You have to press it down. See?
Are we going to make a mess today? And guess who's going to clean it up? Chef Madison. Okay,
you make the mess. We're all, girl.
Okay. Oh, girl. Who you talking to, girl?
You.
Who taught you how to say that?
Mama.
So, now what we're going to do now, Madison? What are we mixing it for, girl?
So now we need some cup of water, and now we need this. Now we need
What is that?
water oil.
With what kind of oil?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. It's going to be in the brownie, so it's that. You can't get up. There. We're going to pour it together.
Now I'm going to mix.
Okay.
Now we can mix it. Mix it up. I want to mix it.
Oh, listen. Okay, now for my secret ingredient,
Milk.
milk.
Ooh.
How are we doing over here, Madison? Time to want to put up more pouches in here. Do you think so?
Yep.
It looks so good.
I feel like I want to eat it already.
You just touch the side.
Okay.
Okay, we have our pan. So
I want to pour it.
I want to do some too.
We can do it together.
So guys, I preheated the oven to 350. Now we're going to pour the brownie, which is the last step. So let's get started. Pour. Madison, let's pour it. Bring it to the corners, like so. Now we will put it in the oven.
Can I lick this spoon now?
Now what Madison been waiting for, licking the
Mix.
spoon. Gotta say it loud. Licking the
Spoon!
So now I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes. So guys, the brownies are done. Madison is gone. Well, I guess I'll just eat brownies by myself. The time is still ticking, but I'm gonna have them skip. Oh, there it go. Never mind. So guys, the brownies are done. I'm taking them out the oven. As I do that, I'm putting my mittens on, of course, because I do not want to get burnt. And I'm going to see how good they are. And I do not put the pan on the freaking... Oh my gosh. So now I'm about to cut it in squares. If you never licked the bowl, you ain't black.
When you never lick the spoon, you ain't black.